So LEAP is a global event and a platform that brings in global investors, amazing founders, startups, talent of developers, and sales and marketing operations, all under one umbrella. And we're excited to have them here in Saudi Arabia. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Osama Alraee, co-founder and CEO of Lendo. Lendo is a fintech startup. It's a Sharia-compliant SME financing crowdfunding platform that provides invoice financing to SMEs, and we do that through our amazing community of 5,000 investors and institutional investors. In return, they get an amazing annual returns of more than 20%. So Lendo has an amazing underlying technology that uses machine learning to speed up the process of underwriting and credit assessment to provide SME financing within 3 days. And we invite anybody here today to visit our platform and apply for a loan, and you will get hear back from us within 48 hours. We expect from LEAP to have an amazing event and amazing attendees of other sponsors and partners who will be here, and we're looking forward to meet with them, partner with them, and help them grow each other.